everybody, and welcome to the channel. So I'm going to do a Amazon unboxing. Not exactly sure. I did multiple orders, so I'm not sure what's in any of these boxes. Alright, this one is yay. Alright, so this is a repeat buy from Amazon. Husband loves this. It's the Full Light Tech Men's Beard set. We have these curtains for the dog's room, or the animal room. This water filter for my new Keurig. Got a soap kit, like a organizer for the bathroom. Then we have this soap dispenser, sponge caddy. Open this up and see how it looks. I have the caddy, or a container coming. Oh, hey, the thing is already in it. I have a container coming tomorrow to organize as well, so this will work out perfectly. And then you push down to get the soap. Perfect. And let me go ahead and open this as well, just in case anything's missing or, you know, what have you. Okay, so we have serious. Goes in the back, I think. Just trying to figure out how to put this together. Oh, there it goes. One more. There it goes. So it sits like this. Sorry about that. And we got a hot cocoa sampler. 2 of those. By Sugar. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye, guys.